Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress on Addon Domain in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access to my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this course, you learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your website performance in Namecheap and other videos. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university for free today, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to install WordPress on Addon Domain in Namecheap. Installing WordPress on Addon Domain inside Namecheap is easy. It all starts with going to CPanel. Once inside CPanel, click on WordPress Manager on the left. Now click on Install. From this page, make sure to always use HTTPS for added security. Select your add-on domain from this list. And for the WordPress version, make sure to always use the latest one. Give your site a name and a description. And for the admin username, I will enter Ben. For the admin password, make sure to use a strong password. Enter your admin email. And from this list, you can select your WordPress site language. And for the plugin, since I prefer my WordPress sites to have a fresh or a clean WordPress copy, I will uncheck this plugin. For the advanced options, you can modify your database name. And for the automated backups, I prefer it to be once a day. Click on Install and wait a moment. As you can see, my WordPress is successfully installed. To give your site a visit, click on this link. And that's it. This is how to install WordPress on Addon Domain inside Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.